Good morning. This is Nolan with Kooima Ag. Today I want to talk about the J-Lore bale ripper. Right here is the Supreme style, but the Supreme style is bolted right on top of the knife in between the auger. For you J-Lore operators, you know the knives are installed on the top of the auger and like this. So we're going to put our bale ripper right on the top of the knife and bolt it through just as all the other ones. So the bale ripper is going to be on the top, right sandwiched by the knives. We've gotten quite a few of these out there on the J-Lore guys. Same rules apply. We want it on the second knife. So leave the top knife alone, second knife, one per auger. Give us a call, 1-800-522-8874, and we'd be more than happy to help you. Thank you for your time.